It's everybody's responsibility to follow traffic laws. Responsible scooter and bike use help everyone stay safe and share the road. Here's some people you should think about.
My name is Janice, and I travel in my wheelchair.
Hi, I'm John, and I'm blind, and I use a cane when I walk.
So what can I do to help?
Well, if we work together, we can safely share the road.
Crossing the road can be difficult. Pay attention for people when you're making a turn in a car, scooter, or any vehicle.
I rely on my hearing to know what's going on. Please let me know when you're passing me.
Passing on your left?
Hey, thanks for letting me know.
The safest place for us to get around is on the sidewalk. It's important to leave room for me to pass in my wheelchair.
Parking a scooter correctly affects me because I feel for things on the sidewalk with my cane. If you don't park a scooter correctly, then my cane can get caught in it.
If the ramp is blocked, it is really hard for me to get on and off the sidewalk.
Park a scooter or bike next to bike racks, trees, or other sidewalk elements, like a bench or a fire hydrant. That way I can still use the side of the building to navigate. Another safe option is to use one of the parking corrals they're putting throughout the city.
So keep an eye out and think about other people.
No matter if you're walking, scooting, or driving, we all have to look out for each other.
This message is brought to you by the Baltimore City Department of Transportation and the Office of Civil Rights. Please share the road.